What's going on, guys? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and turn off restricted mode on YouTube on any browser. And if you're new to the channel and you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks, how-tos and step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do, in this example I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Just going to go ahead and open up my browser. And I'm going to come across to youtube.com. And once that's loaded through, if you haven't already, what you're going to need to do is sign into your account up here in the top right hand corner. I'm already signed into my digital tutor account. And once you're signed in, you need to go ahead and click your profile in the top right hand corner. And what you need to do is scroll down here on the menu, and at the very bottom you'll see there the option which says restricted mode on. Give that a click, and it's just going to tell you what restricted mode does, which on YouTube it helps hide potentially mature videos, but obviously no filter is 100% accurate. The setting only applies to this browser, so if you turned restricted mode off on Google Chrome, it's not going to turn it off, for example, on Firefox. You would need to go onto Firefox, go on youtube.com and do this process again for each browser, but it does work on every single browser. You just need to do it individually. All you need to do to turn restricted mode off is click this blue button here, like so, and it's just going to reload the page. And if you click your icon up in the top right hand corner and you scroll down, you will see it's now saying that restricted mode is off. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. Drop a like in the comments and show your support for the channel by subscribing, and buy me a coffee if you wish. I'll drop some links in the description below.